Are you looking for the best router tables in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best router tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Kreg PRS 2100 router table. The Kreg PRS 2100 router table is a premium carpentry tool with a 16-inch tall routing table and standard insert plate that supports most routers. The bench-top router fence has sliding faces, locking levers, and jointing capability, while the edge-banded and low-friction MDF board top with micro-dot skin lessens vibration, providing a quiet woodworking experience. This portable and easy slide routing surface uses insert plate levels for accuracy, making it a convenient routing table for woodworkers of all levels. Up next in the 4th place is the Kreg PRS 1945 Precision Router Table System. The Kreg router table is a versatile and precise system that includes a 24 inches x 32 inches tabletop with a router insert plate and 3-level lock reducing rings, a 36 inches T-square style fence with a micro-adjust wheel, an outfeed anchor with improved design, and a multi-purpose steel stand that can be adjusted from 31 inches to 39 inches in height. The router table topped with insert plate and reducing rings allows you to mount your router and work on various projects with ease. The fence with micro-adjust wheel helps you make precise setups and adjustments. The redesigned outfeed anchor provides more usable table space and easier removal of the workpiece. The multi-purpose steel stand offers a stable and adjustable base for the router table. With these features, the Kreg router table can help you achieve accurate and efficient routing tasks. The 3rd product on our list is the Rockler Trim Router Table. The Rockler Trim Router Table is a professional, adjustable and portable router table that can attach to any flat surface, such as a bench or table, and is compatible with most popular trim routers, including Bosch Colt, Porter Cable 450 and 17310, Dewalt DW611, and others. It is perfect for small applications and provides better control of handheld routers. The table sets up quickly, and it's just as easy to detach your router from the table without tools. It includes a high-visibility bit guard fence, T-knobs that let you make quick fence adjustments. Second on our list is the Leegol Electric Router Table A. Leegol Router Table comes with an extra-large extension table on both ends for added workspace. The retractable guard prevents wood chips from scattering during operation. Its multifunctional fence and precise miter gauge ensure support and accurate cuts. The materials used, aluminum alloy for the main table and steel for the extension table, make it sturdy yet easy to move. Plus, it offers a satisfaction guarantee with a manufacturer warranty for quality assurance. Finally, the top product on our list is the POWERTEC 71402 Router Table. POWERTEC 71402 router table provides a secure work surface for machining. It allows easy cutting of joinery, slots, and rabbets, enhancing shop safety. The large MDF tabletop is durable and precise, with a smooth surface for easy workpiece maneuvering. The dedicated dust collection port keeps the work area clean, ensuring efficient operation. With included essential features like the aluminum fence and jointing rods, this router table offers convenience and precision for your woodworking projects. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.